How to add your birthday on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your birthday on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app. Now click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find not settings. Click these three lines and then click on your profile. Here you will find edit, click on it and then click birthday. Now you can just add your birthday and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.